I can't let go of it, look.
I'll help.
Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome back to this particularly relaxed episode of Engines and Unfinished Business. These are my pyjamas, this is peppermint tea. You're pretty normal, to be honest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Literally just got in from work.
Well, I'm feeling pretty relaxed.
Do I have stuff in my teeth from dinner?
Oh, you're good, haven't we?
You're okay.
Cool. There you go.
Okay, hello. Again, we apologise because it's been ages.
Well, in our defence, we had snow. We went snowboarding.
Yeah.
We had more snow. And now you're working always.
Yeah.
So we haven't really made it to the workshop much in the last month and a half, probably. I don't know when it was since our last video.
Yeah. But, I don't know. What have we done?
Well, we went down one day and achieved very little because the people next door decided they wanted to do some gardening and the noises were horrific. And
I don't know if it was gardening. Wasn't it roadworks?
I don't know what it was. It sounded like strimmers and like small petrol powered.
I feel like it was more heavy duty.
Maybe it was. Whatever it was horrific and drove us insane, so we gave up on that day.
Yeah.
And then we weren't able to go out for ages, and then the other day I went down on my own and got I went down on my own and got quite a lot done. So apologies for that, because
It's so boring.
it really is. Like, I gotta have respect for people like Beers for Build who do it on their own and make it entertaining, because when I'm on my own I'm boring as shit, so apologies for that. It's a lot less fun without Sophie around.
I make you funny.
You probably do.
And you always say that you're the funny one.
Well, secretly, you're the funny one, really. Think we can make tea without breaking the workshop this time?
Probs not. I actually think I'm gonna die.
Why?
I've eaten so much food.
That was a big breakfast.
Stupid Weatherspoons having good breakfast.
Good cheap breakfast.
£5.
The kettle is working, this is a good start. So we need to take the fuel hoses out.
Take the fuel hoses out.
But first do the exhaust.
I
don't think we need to cut it. So in which case we'll jack the back end up, drop the front end down.
Oh, the bit of sick came up.
We'll do that.
Sorry.
And then do the exhaust, do the fuel lines, and then we'll start doing like the wheels and shit and pulling all the drive shafts out, and then we should be able to drop as the engine. This line here is a return line, so that's quite an easy one. That's quite a perished hose actually, so we'll just do that on. And the feed line comes off the fuel filter, so we'll undo it there.
Oh, I can't see, but okay.
Yeah. Got it? And then just slide it up the hose. Oh. Nothing came out. It's convenient. There we have back box and shitty old cat removed. So we'll definitely replace that cat and probably the back box. I really like the idea of quad tips.
You probably need to speak up because there's a lot of noise.
What?
I can see your knickers.
Outrageous.
Shouldn't you be wearing goggles?
Yeah, I should.
Safety first.
Safety squints engaged. Do you think funny?
What is it?
I feel like something in my eye. Oh, maybe I'll cry it out.
Cry it out.
Yeah, that's what you do. Just cry like a man and all is well. here on my own today, as it's the Easter holidays and Sophie's working all the days. Damn tourists. I've already taken out the passenger side hub and drive shaft, so now the mission is to do the same on the driver's side. That one's missing a washer. Oh, that's awkward. But success. So there's the driver's side out. A couple of notable things. First is this has come off the CV boot, but I think it came off today while I was doing that, so I should be fine just to reattach it. Probably clean it out and re-grease it while I'm in there. This brake disc doesn't want to come off. Not sure why. And one of those bolts was missing a washer. So next job is removing the rear subframe, which involves removing the anti-roll bar, and there's an engine mount in there. Now concerningly, the engine mount should have 3 bolts there, but there's only 2. But if you actually look inside the mount there, the 3rd bolt appears to be there. So that could imply it's sheared. Hopefully it's not actually holding the mount in, otherwise we could have some troubles. Fuck! Bastard. Both sides of the anti-roll bar bolts sheared. I think the bolt's actually part of this clamp, so I'm going to have to replace the clamps, but that's not the end of the world. I think next is actually to drop the subframe. There are 2 more bolts on top holding the anti-roll bar in. I'm hoping I can just drop it down to get better access to them. Chances are they're going to shear anyway. Will it shear? Taking all bets. Huh. Yeah, that is a very shallow bolt head. But that feels like it's going. On down. Will the next one shear? It's another good one. So that should now free up the anti-roll bar. Yep. Which itself looks like it's seen better days. And there we have it. Now we had to take this section of the exhaust out with the subframe because this bolt round here is completely rounded and there wasn't enough room to pull the exhaust through from this mount. But hopefully now that is doable. Freedom! So that's it for today. Now the mount that was on the subframe, I think is just to stop the engine rocking backwards and forwards too much, but just in case I'm going to throw a jack stand under there because I don't know when we'll be coming back to actually drop the engine out. done and done. So all in all, I would call that a pretty successful day. Next stage should be dropping the engine.
So next time we will hopefully have the damn engine out. It seems to have taken a really long time.
Yeah, really hoping to have the engine out by the end of this episode, but it's going to be a little while, I think, before we can both get to the workshop again. It really needs both of us to do the engine, so we'll see. But hopefully,
at some point.
yes.
So I was a little annoyed the other day because Mr. Regular Car Reviews stole my "shit son" catchphrase.
Oh shit, son.
And yes, I'm not very happy.
That he did. I mean, I'm not saying that he
It's
watches our videos.
And I'm not saying it's mine, I just say it a lot.
But the most likely explanation is you invented it and he watches
I
our
didn't
videos.
invent it because it's been around for a while.
Well, anyway, just in case. Hey, Mr. Regular. Hey, Roman. Actually, I kind of love you guys, but whatever.
Are they the ones that I don't like?
I think you like them.
Do I?
Yeah.
Who's the one I really don't like?
P.S. for Bill, I don't think you're a fan of.
Yeah, but I know who he is.
Okay, Dr. Muro?
No, I really like him. I think it's the regular car.
Maybe you don't like
review man.
radio.
He does those jokes that really aren't funny, and
He's very Marmite, to be fair. Not
yeah,
everyone likes
I
it.
don't like him.
Okay, well, I love you guys, so...
Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah, Regular and Mr. Roman. No, Mr. Regular and the
Mr. Roman. Mr. Regular Roman.
To be fair, his last name is Roman, so that is why he's called the Roman.
Oh, I assume that would be his first name.
No, apparently not.
Oh.
I think his first name's Nick, and the other guy's first name is Brian. It's not very Stover's names, which is probably why they had stage names.
We don't exactly have showbiz names.
That is true.
What can our showbiz names be?
I'd like to be Hank.
Why?
I don't know, it's the first name that came to my head.
No.
What would you be?
Dino Warrior.
That's actually fucking awesome. Fair play. Dino Warrior and Hank. I feel like Hank's a bit of a letdown now. I'll be Unicorn Wizard or something.
Now you've just stolen that from,
Ninja Sex Party?
yeah.
Damn it. I'm not very original or funny. This is why I need you. So I think that's it for this week.
Yeah.
Don't you got anything?
We were also thinking about, because we can't get to the workshop all the time, we might just mess around on film and do like games or something. Like, would people actually like that?
Yeah, like
Right.
one game, I'm sure some of you will be aware of, is Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes, which I think could be quite entertaining for us to try that, assuming it doesn't end our marriage. So I might give that a go, try some Let's Play videos.
So then I can have half your stuff.
Oh yeah, then I get half of your stuff.
I don't have any stuff.
I'll take Monkey.
It's all your stuff. You're not taking my cat.
So yeah, I might give that a go one day. See if
If
people are
people
interested.
even want to watch that
Yeah.
sort of thing.
Just a heads up.
No.
As always, thank you to our patrons.
Patriners.
Our patron people.
I think we should just call them Patriners. There are Patriners.
Yeah, but I don't think we left that in the video when you said it.
Okay,
so
I accidentally thought they were called Patriners, and so now we call you all.
That's true.
Now
yeah.
we all call you all that. Whoa, there's
Now
all,
we all call you all even. Do you even?
all.
I can't even.
So you're all called Patriners.
Yeah.
What are they called?
Patrons. Well, I called them Patreons originally, but apparently Patreon is the service and the people are patrons, or let's just stick with Patriners.
And you're all Patriners.
Yeah. So thanks again to our Patriners who are seeing this one day early, and your names
yeah.
will appear now.
Where?
Well, they kind of have to fill the whole screen, but I can also put them up
Oh.
there. And then we could put them over here.
Put one like in my hand.
I could try that. I could just put them in my crotch.
No.
Well, I suppose some video editing, it'll be fun. Nice.
Thank you.
Did my sit come up?
No.
I think we've probably waffled on enough.
Yep.
Cool.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon, maybe. No, we don't see you, you see us. You'll see us
Shit,
soon.
son. Car.
I think that was a good one.
I think that was a good one too.